Alright, today we're looking at a 2015 Lexus ES350. Alright, it's Starfire Pearl in color. It's got 80,000 miles on it. Alright, it's Carfax one owner. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. First thing I want to point out to you though, it does have the front park assist. Alright, got the turn signals in the side mirrors. It is equipped with sunroof. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Alright, driver's side of the Lexus is in good shape. It does have the rear park assist, rear backup camera. Alright, we'll make our way down the passenger side. Alright, everything's in good shape here. Alright, once again, it's a 2015, 80,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. Starfire Pearl in color. Okay, it's a nice white pearl color there. Alright, got the beige and black door panels, nice wood grain trim here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have memory seats. Okay, got the nice Lexus floor mats here. Got your blind spot monitoring button, your park assist button. Got your telescopic wheel right here. Alright, does have the beige leather seats. Okay, they're power driver seat. Has a nice perforated inserts. Just a little bit of rub right through here on the seat. Okay, but other than that, seats are in good shape. Give you another shot of the sunroof here. Okay, does have the keyless entry key fob. Alright, got the nice center console right here with the armrest. It's got power supply outlet down there, USB and auxiliary. Passenger seats in good shape. Got the perforated inserts in there as well. Okay, it is an automatic. All right, got your cooled and heated seats right under here. Dual climate controls, push button start. It's going to have your radio display right here and the backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your leather wrapped wood steering wheel. Okay, got the leather here, the wood all the way around. Okay, Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 80,604 miles. Alright, now that we got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display. Alright, it does have the satellite radio. Alright, go ahead and get you back to your main menu with all the apps. So you got radio, display, setup, info, phone, climate, and media. Okay, it also has the rear backup camera. It's got the guidelines on there as well. Alright, then once again, it's got your CD player here, AM, FM stereo, dual climate controls. Alright, and then your heated seats and air conditioned seats are going to be right here at either button here. Alright, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels here look good. Got the nice rubber floor mats, Lexus floor mats back here in the back. Carpet looks good. Alright, back seat leather's in great shape. It also has the perforated inserts. Okay, got the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders here. And then you also have access to the trunk right through there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Let's see, I didn't press the button here. Let's go ahead and press the trunk release button. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. Got the first aid kit there. Alright, got your jack under there. Let's see. I can get under there with one hand. And the spare tire. Okay. Everything's nice and clean back here. Ton of room in this Lexus. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. Okay. Brand new set of tires. You can see the markings still on them there. Alright, plenty of tread. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Lexus ES350, 80,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Got to check this one out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.